Are you tired of feeling like your paycheck barely covers the basics? Or maybe you're stuck in a rut, wondering how to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. What if I told you that you could start earning more, even while keeping your full-time job? That's right, side hustles are the key to unlocking your financial potential. But here's the catch. Not all side hustles are created equal. Some can help you build real wealth, while others just drain your time and energy. In this video, we'll reveal the most effective and strategic side hustles that can help you earn more money, whether it's through skills you already have, passions you can monetize, or smart methods to grow your income without burning out. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to create your own income stream and transform your financial future. Don't skip ahead. This could be the first step to financial freedom. Section 1. Understanding the need for a side hustle. The reality is that most people today aren't just relying on their full-time job to meet their financial goals. Side hustles have become a vital source of income for millions of people around the world. Whether it's because of rising living costs, student debt, or the desire for extra savings, many young adults are seeking ways to supplement their income. And that's where side hustles come in. They offer a flexible way to boost your financial situation without necessarily quitting your day job. The beauty of side hustles is that they cater to all kinds of skills, interests, and schedules. From freelancing to online businesses, the options are endless. But the first step is recognizing that you need one and being open to exploring various opportunities. A side hustle isn't just about making extra cash, it's about building your financial foundation and securing your financial future. Section 2. The best side hustles to start right now. When choosing a side hustle, it's crucial to pick something that aligns with your skills and interests. Starting with something you already enjoy or know well will make the process feel less like work and more like a passion project. Freelancing is one of the most popular side hustle options available today. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or developer, you can leverage platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to connect with clients who need your services. If you're tech-savvy, creating a YouTube channel, blogging, or podcasting can also be lucrative options. Another great option is e-commerce. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon allow you to sell physical or digital products to a wide audience. But it's important to research your market and understand the products that sell well before diving in. Additionally, some side hustles require minimal upfront investment, such as tutoring or offering consulting services. Start by evaluating your skills and the time you can dedicate to your side hustle. Then choose one that fits seamlessly into your life. Section 3. Making sure your side hustle is profitable. Starting a side hustle is just the first step. Turning it into a profitable venture is what will set you apart. One of the most important things to keep in mind is your pricing strategy. You need to make sure that the time you're spending on your side hustle is paying off. Research what others in your field are charging, and make sure your rates are competitive but also reflect the value of your services. One of the key advantages of side hustles is that they allow you to control how much you work, and consequently, how much you earn. However, managing your time effectively is essential for maximizing profitability. To achieve this, create a schedule that allows you to focus on your side hustle while still maintaining your full-time job. This balance will help you avoid burnout and ensure that you're making the most out of every hour you dedicate to your side hustle. Section 4. Scaling your side hustle for growth. Once you've got your side hustle up and running, it's time to think about growth. Scaling your side hustle involves turning your part-time effort into a full-fledged business. The first step in scaling is finding ways to increase your revenue without adding too much extra work. This could mean automating parts of your business, outsourcing tasks that aren't your strengths, or raising your prices to match the demand for your services. For example, if you're running an online store, you can use social media ads to increase visibility and sales. If you're freelancing, you might want to build a brand and use testimonials to attract higher-paying clients. You can also diversify your income streams. For instance, instead of just offering one service, you can bundle services or create multiple pricing packages to cater to different customer needs. Scaling your side hustle is all about finding new ways to work smarter, not harder. Section 5. The importance of financial management for side hustlers. Managing the money you earn from your side hustle is just as important as making it. Without proper financial planning, your side hustle may not reach its full potential. Start by setting aside a portion of your income for taxes, as the IRS doesn't withhold taxes from freelance or side hustle earnings. Also, keep track of all business expenses, such as software, marketing costs, or equipment, as these can be deducted from your taxable income. Setting up a separate bank account for your side hustle is a smart move to keep personal and business finances separate. In addition to managing your side hustle income, it's important to reinvest a portion of the profits back into your business to fuel growth. Consider investing in professional development, better equipment, or marketing strategies that will help your side hustle thrive in the long term. Section 6. Balancing your side hustle with your full-time job. One of the biggest challenges of having a side hustle is managing your time. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job requires excellent time management skills. Start by creating a schedule that works around your day job. This could mean dedicating evenings and weekends to your side hustle or setting aside a few hours each day. It's also important to avoid overcommitting. If your side hustle starts to interfere with your main job, it's time to reassess your workload. Consider automating certain tasks or outsourcing to other people to help with the workload. Additionally, set realistic goals for your side hustle. Understand that growth takes time, and it's okay to start small. As long as you're consistent and committed, you can gradually build your side hustle without sacrificing your full-time job. Section 7. Conclusion and final thought. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how side hustles can be a powerful tool in improving your financial situation. The key is to take action. Choose the right hustle that fits your skills and commit to growing it over time. Remember, the goal of a side hustle is not just about making extra cash, but creating more financial freedom and security. If you're ready to start your side hustle or take yours to the next level, take the first step today. This is Cashnology, and we believe in helping you build a stable financial future. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial independence. Also, share your side hustle journey with us in the comments below. What hustle are you starting? Or what's been your biggest challenge?